Hello, my name is Braden Harmon, and I'm a factory worker, and I worked at Lau Mills for 9 years now. And today I wanted to show you behind the scenes and first-hand look at what it's like to be a factory worker in 1846. When you first walk into the mill, you enter a large room. The room consists of 500 looms with a complete 21,000 spindles. It is also 400 feet long and is almost 70 feet wide, which makes it one of the largest factories around. Each worker is responsible for operating 2 looms, but the more experienced workers can manage up to 4. The noise of all the spindles clinking together is deafening. Luckily, once you are close to the worker, you are able to still carry on a conversation. Factory life is hard and demanding. The hours are long, with your average day consisting of 11 to 12 hours and only 4 holidays off. Other complaints from fellow weavers include short breaks, if any, and lack of proper airflow, which results in high temperatures and sweaty work conditions. Breathing dust and cotton inflammations also contributes to the unhealthy work conditions. Very little pay is also a negative, but it's better than no job at all. This is a prime example of why a lot of countries are in poverty. Thank you.